Alright, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to make multiple choice quizzes using Quizly. Quizly.co is a site that you can use to make and share multiple choice quizzes totally for free. And your quizzes will be saved forever. So if you're a teacher, they'll still be there next semester, next year, what have you. So I'm going to go to my web browser. I happen to use Chrome, but you can use whatever web browser you want. And I'm going to Quizly.co. That's Quizly with two Z's. And there's already some great quizzes here, but I want to create a quiz. So I'm going to hit Create a Quiz. And it's asking me to log in because you have to log in to make quizzes. So I'm going to continue with Google, and that'll use my Google account. All right, so the next step is you just have to choose a username. And I'm going to type in my name there. Oh, I already made an account earlier using my name, so I'm going to make Jake-2, and it's green, which means that name has not been taken. And you don't have to do a bio, so I'm going to skip it for now. All right, cool. Now I'm in. Now I can create a quiz. Okay, so let's say that I am a science teacher and I want to give my students just a quick quiz on Mars. I'm going to title my quiz Quick Mars Quiz. Quick Mars Quiz. All right, so each quiz does need to have a image, and and you can just upload it from your computer. I'm going to go ahead and grab a Mars photo of Mars. Go to images, and let me go ahead and find a picture of Mars that I like. This one looks pretty good. I'll use that one. And I will just go ahead and save image as. Save it in my downloads. Okay, cool. So now I've got a picture of Mars on my computer, and I can go back to, go ahead and put that image of Mars in there. There it is, mars.jpg. Okay, cool. And I'll do a quick description for my quiz. So I'm going to say is a brief quiz about Mars. Okay, now topics. So each quiz does need to have at least one topic, and let's say this is, of course, it's about astronomy, and it's about Mars. So I'm just going to do two topics. And you know what? You can go as broad as science with this one. But really the tags that you choose are totally up to you. All right, so now it's time to make some questions. So I'm going to say, how about fill in the blank question. Mars is the blank planet from the sun. And I'll go ahead and say, put some options in there. Of course, we know it's not the second planet. We know it's not the third planet. It's not the fourth planet. That's us, Earth. Wait, no, it is the fourth planet. So that would be the correct answer. Then, since that is the correct answer, I'm going to go ahead and select it as the correct answer. And I want to just, let's say I want to add another option in there. And I'll put fifth as another option. And great. So that way, when students select fourth, it will be the correct answer. So that's one thing to remember. You just got to make sure you choose which of your answers is the correct one. All right, I'm going to add a new question. And let's say I could do a true-false question for this one. How about Mars was named after the Roman god of war? And true and false. And for this one, since we only have two options, you can just go ahead and click that minus symbol, and that takes away that third option. And of course, again, remember to select which answer is the correct choice. And just for the purposes of this example, I'll just do a quick 2-question quiz, but you can make as many questions as you want just by adding a new question. And let's say you've got all your questions written, but you've decided you don't like the order. You can always change the order of your questions. So if I want to move question 2 up to spot 1, now that is question 1. Or if I want to move question 2 all the way to the end of the quiz, I can do it. And now that's the last question on the quiz. But these, also you can delete your questions too. So for this example, I don't really have 6 questions. I'm going to take it back down to 2. And yeah, everything looks good. I like my quiz, so I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. And in my newest quizzes, there it is. It's right there, Quick Mars quiz. And I can go ahead and open it up, and I'll say Mars is named after the Roman god of war. I'll say that's true. Mars is the, let's see what happens if I get one wrong. So I'll just say second. Submit my quiz, and of course I got a 50% because I did get the first one right, and I got the second one wrong. And I can always check my answers at the end, and of course there we go. I can see the one that I got wrong is highlighted in red, and it gives me the correct answer. So that's it for now. I just want to do a quick tutorial just to help anybody who wanted to figure out how to make quizzes using Quizly.co. If you have any questions, you can always feel free to reach out to me. My email address is going to be provided in the description of this video, and I'll be happy to help you with anything, any issues that you have with the website.